Green tea is a type of tea that is made from unoxidized leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It is one of the healthiest beverages on the planet, and it has been linked to a number of health benefits. Here are some of the reasons why you should start drinking green tea every day. 1. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to a number of chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Green tea is one of the best sources of antioxidants in the world. It contains catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that have been shown to protect cells from damage. 2. Green tea can help boost your metabolism. Green tea contains caffeine, which is a stimulant that can help increase your metabolism. Caffeine can also help you burn more calories, which can lead to weight loss. 3. Green tea can help improve your heart health. Green tea has been shown to improve a number of factors that are associated with heart health, including cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Green tea can also help reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. 4. Green tea can help protect your brain health. Green tea has been shown to protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and reaction time. 5. Green tea can help reduce your risk of cancer. Green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of a number of types of cancer, including lung cancer, breast cancer, and colon cancer. 6. Green tea can help improve your skin health. Green tea contains catechins, which have been shown to protect the skin from damage caused by the sun and pollution. Green tea can also help reduce wrinkles and age spots. 7. Green tea is a refreshing and delicious beverage. Green tea has a light, refreshing flavor that is perfect for any time of day. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, and it can be sweetened with honey or sugar to taste. Green tea has a light, refreshing flavor that is perfect for any time of day. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, and it can be sweetened with honey or sugar to taste. However, some people find that green tea can have a bitter taste. If you find that you don't like the taste of green tea, there are a few things you can do to make it taste better. 1. Use fresh, cold water. The quality of the water you use will make a big difference in the taste of your green tea. Use fresh, cold water to make the best tasting tea. 2. Use high-quality green tea leaves. The quality of the green tea leaves you use will also affect the taste of your tea. Use high-quality green tea leaves to get the best flavor. 3. Steep the tea for the correct amount of time. Oversteeping green tea can make it bitter. Steep the tea for the correct amount of time to get the best flavor. 4. Add a slice of lemon or lime to your tea. The acidity of lemon or lime can help to balance out the bitterness of green tea. 5. Add a teaspoon of honey or sugar to your tea. Honey and sugar can add sweetness to green tea and help to mask the bitterness. 6. Add a splash of milk or cream to your tea. Milk or cream can add richness and creaminess to green tea, which can help to balance out the bitterness. 7. Add a few drops of vanilla extract to your tea. Vanilla extract can add a subtle sweetness and flavor to green tea. 8. Add a few drops of peppermint extract to your tea. Peppermint extract can add a refreshing and minty flavor to green tea. 9. Add a few drops of cinnamon extract to your tea. Cinnamon extract can add a warm and spicy flavor to green tea. Experiment with different flavors and find what you like best. Green tea is a versatile beverage that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Overall, green tea is a healthy and delicious beverage that has been linked to a number of health benefits. If you are looking for a way to improve your health, green tea is a great option. It is packed with antioxidants, can help boost your metabolism, improve your heart health, protect your brain health, reduce your risk of cancer, improve your skin health, and is simply a refreshing and delicious beverage. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more.